Hi everyone, this is Derek at Lionic. In this video, we'll review how to add an Office 365 account to the Authy Authenticator app for iOS. You can of course add accounts to Authy using the desktop app as well. In this video, we're using my iPhone. Here's my iPhone, and you can see that I haven't added any accounts to Authy yet. Whether you're adding your first account to Authy or your 20th, you'll always start by tapping on Add Account. Adding an account to Authy using your mobile device is slightly easier because we can just scan a QR code with the camera on our phone. Adding Office 365 to Authy implies that either you or your administrator have enabled 2FA on your Office 365 account. Let's head over to portal.office.com and sign in to our Office 365 account so that we can see the 2FA setup prompts. As you can see, instead of taking us right into our Office 365 account, we're getting a prompt that Microsoft has enabled new security defaults. This means we need to set up 2FA. Microsoft has recently updated the look of the 2FA setup screens. First, we'll run through the steps with the new look, and then we'll repeat them using the old look, as some of our viewers may not see Microsoft's new look yet. It's still fairly new. So let's get started. We'll click Next. Since we're not using the Microsoft Authenticator app, we'll click here. We're using Authy. We'll click Next again, and then we'll grab our phone to scan the QR code. Here's my iPhone. From within the Authy app, I'll tap on Add Account, and then we'll tap on Scan QR Code. Authy will then ask if it can have access to the camera on my iPhone. I'll tap on OK and scan the QR code. Next, enter a good account name. This is our Office 365 account, so we should name it something to that effect. If you're not happy with the account logo, tap on Edit Logo and you can search for another logo. Because this is Office 365 account, I've searched for that, and I can now choose the Office 365 logo. When you have many accounts in Authy, having a logo next to each account can help you quickly identify it. After you've selected your logo, tap on Continue. Once you've set your account nickname, tap on Save. Now that the account has been added, we have our 6-digit code. Let's move back to our PC and click Next. It's asking for us to enter the 6-digit code. And then we'll click Next. And we are all set up. As mentioned, that was the new look. If you're seeing screens that look different, your Office 365 account hasn't been updated. You'll still have a similar process to follow, but your screens will look like this after signing in. Click Setup to get started. You'll then see the QR code. This is what you'll scan from the Authy app in the Add Account screen. Scan the QR code with the camera on your phone and save the account into Authy. Then click on Next. Click Next again. Then type in the 6-digit code provided by Authy. And click Verify. You'll then receive a note that it was successful. Click on Done. And your account will continue to sign in. 2FA is now set up. Now that 2FA for Office 365 has been turned on and added to Authy, you'll see your Office 365 account in both your Authy mobile app as well as the Authy app on your PC. Let's have a look on my iPhone first. Here it is in my list of accounts. Simply tap on it to receive the 6-digit code. If you're logging into an account on your mobile device and you're being asked to enter the 6-digit code, tap here to copy the code, and then you can switch back to the app you're signing into to paste it in. Now let's switch over to my PC and have a look at the Authy PC app. Here is my Office 365 account. Simply click on it to get the 6-digit code. And again, you can click here to copy the code to your clipboard so that you can paste it into the login screen of the account you're logging into. That's all for now, everyone. Setting up your other accounts that support 2FA will likely be a very similar process. Turn on 2FA for the account, add the account in Authy, scan the QR code, enter the 6-digit code that the site gives you to complete the process, then name the account in Authy and give it an icon. That's all there is to it. Over time, the list of accounts in your app will grow as you enable more 2FA accounts. The Add Account button will always be here for you when you're ready to add your next account. If you're currently set up for 2FA on any accounts that send text messages, you might want to sign into those accounts to see if they support Authenticator apps. You can then move them from texts into Authy. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.